In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Rocket League on Steam. We'll take you through this process step by step, so sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First, open your Steam application. You can find the Steam icon on your desktop or in your program files, just give it a double click. If you're not already logged in, don't worry. With Steam's straightforward interface, logging in is a breeze. You'll see the login option right there on the screen. Click on it, and then go ahead and type in your Steam account credentials, your username and password. Be sure to enter them correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've got those details input, hit that sign in button to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. This is your hub for all gaming adventures. From here, look to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the library tab. Click on that. The library is essentially your virtual bookshelf full of games at your disposal. Next, let's add Rocket League to your collection. To do this, you'll click on the option to add a game. Located typically at the bottom left of your library screen, you'll see a few choices pop up and you want to select Add a non-Steam game. Now here's where we need to locate Rocket League in your system files. Click on the Browse button. This will open up a File Explorer window. Navigate through your program files to find the Rocket League game. If you're not sure where it's installed, check the common directories like Program Files or your main games folder. Once you've found Rocket League, select the game's executable file. This is usually the file that ends with .exe. With the game app selected, click on Add Selected Programs. This action will officially register Rocket League into your Steam library, making it accessible just like any of your Steam native games. Finally, let's launch the game from your Steam library. Go back to your library and you should see Rocket League listed among your collection of games. Simply click on it and then hit the play button to start the game. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy the seamless experience of playing Rocket League through Steam. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.